Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is map. Map is a collection type that associates key with values. Map is a key value pair. Key should be unique. Value can be duplicate. It is easy to retrieve the data from the map. Size of the map can increase or decrease dynamically based on the runtime requirement. Map element can be of any data type, primitive types, collections, as objects, user-defined types, and built-in apex types. Common operations on maps: declaring and initializing a map. We can declare and initialize a map by specifying the data types of the key and values. Adding key value pair to a map. Key value pairs can be added using the put method. Removing key value pairs from a map. Key value pairs can be removed using the remove method and the key. Size of map. The number of key value pairs in the map can be obtained using the size method. Clearing a map. All key value pairs can be removed from the map using the clear method. Accessing values by key. Values can be accessed using the key method and the key. Iterating over a map. We can iterate over the keys or key value pairs in a map using a loop. Checking for the key or value. We can check if a map contains a specific key or value using the contains key method and contains value methods. Syntax: map, key, value, and here we are taking the name. Record ID will be key and record will be value. So example, create a map with student name as a key and student phone as a value. So we are taking here map string comma string. So one student name would be a string and student phone would be a second string. So this will be a key, student name and student phone would be a value. So let's see an example in our Salesforce org. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. At the right side we need to click on setup, then developer console. Just right click and click open in new tab. So here we are seeing the developer console. We have to click on debug, execute anonymous window. We can resize this. So we are going to see how to declare and initialize a map. So here we are going to take a string keys and integer values. So map of a string, and for values integer, taking the name string to int map. We can take any name here. New keyword map string comma integer, then a small bracket is there, and finally we are seeing a semicolon. So by this line, let's see what it's printing. So for printing we are using system.debug. Result, it is going to display as it is plus symbol, and here I am taking the variable name string to int map. So select this all, execute highlighted, debug only. So we are seeing empty map here. So again come back to our debug, open execute anonymous window. So let's see how we have to add a key value pair in the map. So this is the name, string to int map dot put we are using to store the value in the map. So in the single quotes for string value we are providing apple comma, and for integer we are directly providing the value 10. Then string to int map dot put banana will be key, and this is the value. So next value is cherry as a key, and 30 is the value. So a string is key, this one is key, and integer is value. So just print this what it is going to print. Execute. So we are seeing the value like apple key, 10 is the value, key value, and again key value. So next we are going to see access values by key, how we can access the values by providing the key. So integer apple value, here I need the apple value, so I am providing the string and I need the value for that particular string. So by the name itself I am creating the variable. So this is the string to int map, our map name dot get to get the value, and here as a key we are providing in the single quotes apple. So we are going to get the value 10, as for this string 10 is the value, and for next banana we are going to provide the banana key, and we are supposed to get 20 value. So to print these values I need to print apple value, and again for this banana value I need to use banana value. Execute this. So for apple value we are getting 10 and banana value we are getting 20. For apple 10 and for banana 20, as we had declared here. So modify a value for a specific key. If I need to modify a value for a specific key, we can do that. So change the value associated with banana to 25, as the value is 20 for banana and we need to update that value as 25. So like this we are going to provide, this is the map name dot put, and here we are going to provide the key value in single quotes as it is a string, and the integer value 25 we are going to provide. So let's see what it's printing. Execute. So our value is modified. Apple is holding 10 value, banana is holding 25. Earlier it was 20, now it is 25, and cherry is 30. Next, let's see how to remove a key value pair from the map. So to remove the key cherry and its associated value like 30, how we are going to do? So by providing only key we can remove the value. So this is our map name and this is the method remove, and in this we are providing the key in as this value is a string, so we are providing in the single quotes. So we need to print this. So let's see what is printing. So from the map the cherry and value 30 is removed. So now check the size of the map. So our map is holding two values. So how to check the size? So we have to provide the map name, then size method, and here I am storing in size variable. It is of integer type. So let's print this value. So output we are getting two values as there is only two values. So next check if the map contains a specific key or value. So if it is containing, then it is returning true, otherwise false. So in the map contains key, and here we are providing the key apple, as this value is a string, so we are providing in the single quotes, and here we are using boolean contains apple is the variable name, so we need to print this one only. Execute. So this map is containing the value, so it is going to print true. So next iterate over the keys in the map. So for this we are writing for a string key string to int map. This is our map name dot keyset method. So system dot debug key, and the value we are getting here string to int map dot get key. So comment this, it is going to display from here itself. So execute, debug. So apple is having 10 value and banana is having 25 value. This one is key, apple is key and value is 10. Again banana is key and value is 25. So next we are going to see clear all key value pairs from the map. So this one is our map name dot clear method we are using. So just print this map. So the map is empty. So next we are going to see check if the map is empty or not. So it is going to return true or false. So here we are providing the map name is empty is a method, and it is going to return the result as true or false. So we are taking boolean is empty variable. So we need to print this. So as the map is empty, so it is going to return true. So like this we are dealing with map. Thank you.